to the Lord, for He is good. Through every generation, through every nation, His faithful love remains. Papa God, marimari bilong you. I stap oltaim, oltaim. Long to die, na long ay wara. You know sabe, Lucy mi pela, all get alive, all get a country. Mi pela liti mapi, name belong you, Papa God, marimari belong you. I stop all time, all time. You form the heavens with wisdom. You place the stars within the night. You raise the mountains from the waters and told the morning sun to rise.
Every ocean speaks your greatness. Every living heart belongs to you. From the beginning through forever, your faithful love will carry us through. Papa God, marimari belong you. I stop all time, all time.
Long to die, na long ay wara. You know sabe, Lucy mi pela, all get alive, all get a country. Mi pela liti mapi, name belong you, Papa God.
Marimari belong you. I stop all time, all time.
You heard the cries of those in bondage. You broke the chains and let them free. You made a pathway through the waters and brought your children through the sea.
When the wilderness surrounded them, your hand became their daily bread. You were the fire that walked beside them, the cloud of mercy overhead.
When hope is gone, your love remains. When strength is lost, you make a way. Through every trial,
Through every storm, your mercy carries us home.
has forgotten. You lift the broken from the ground. You stay beside the weak and weary when there is no one else around.
You give the hungry food and shelter. You hear the prayers no words can say. Your compassion has no border, and your mercy meets us every day.
From Africa to Asia,
from the islands to the plains,
from the cities to the villages,
let every voice proclaim,
you are good in every season.
You are